This film from 1901 starts at MacCurtain Street, which was known as King Street at the time, and continues onto Bridge Street. This style of filming from a moving vehicle became known as phantom rides. The tram straight ahead of us was heading to its terminus outside the Pantry by St. Nicholas Church in Blackpool. In 2021 the Pantry is now Daybreak, and the church was later rebuilt as the Church of the Annunciation. The tram would have travelled from Douglas, where the terminus there is still called the tramway. It is hard to tell which tram we are travelling on, but it would have started either in St. Luke's or Glanmire Road station and headed to Albert Street or Sundays Well. St. Luke's was the highest point on the trams, which would eventually be the cause of its demise in 1931 due to the popular new buses which could travel to higher parts of Cork City. Glanmire Road station was renamed to Kent Station in 1966 on the 50th anniversary of the Easter Rising. Mangan's clock on the left was just outside Mangan's jewellery shop. The shop survived the burning of Cork and continued to trade until the late 80s, when the premises were demolished, along with many others, to allow for the construction of the Merchants Quay shopping centre. The clock still stands in 2021. Please like and subscribe to be reminded of future videos. Thanks for watching.